everyone, I am Priscilla.
I'm Debui. I'm Mizoram.
And welcome back to Let's Learn Mizo. This program is organized by Mizoram Ṭhalai Kristian Pawl. We will be learning Mizo languages in two other languages, that is in English and Hindi, which is the official language of India. In this episode, we shall continue to learn about the daily basic conversations. Let's start with thank you.
शुक्रिया या फिर धन्यवाद. कलोमे और कनलोमे, कालोमे और कनलोमे.
Wait, let's try that once. Kalome or kanlome.
So here, ka and kan refers to the subject, where ka refers to singular and kan refers to plural.
Now let's move on to you're welcome.
आपका स्वागत है.
Keipo le or keipo kalome, keipo le or keipo kalome.
Yes, that is not the literal translation. We just use that as there is no definite word in Mizo. Now let's move on to excuse me.
मुझे माफ कीजिए. In Hindi.
Min she thiam te or min lo she thiam lo. Min she thiam te or min lo she thiam lo.
Let's try that once before we move on.
Min she thiam te
or min lo she thiam lo. Okay. Next we have please.
कृपया.
Kho ngai takin, kho ngai in or kho ngai tak in.
Last we have I'm sorry.
इसमें भी हम लोग मुझे माफ कीजिए.
Katipal.
Let's try that before we go with the review, okay?
Katipal.
Yes. Okay, now let's review what we have learned in this episode. First we have thank you.
शुक्रिया या फिर धन्यवाद.
Kalome or kanlome.
Next we have you're welcome.
आपको भी.
Keipo le, keipo kalome.
Excuse me.
मुझे माफ कीजिए.
Min she thiam te or min lo she thiam lo.
Please.
कृपया.
Kho ngai takin.
Last we have I'm sorry.
मुझे माफ कीजिए.
Katipal.
That is all for this episode of Let's Learn Mizo.
Bye bye.